In this video, we are going to learn how to sort our data. It is using the macros and VBA. So let's start. So basically, I have this data set: date, product, quantity, and price. Now let's see. There are date ranges like 1, 2, then 4, then 4, then 3, 4. So it is not in a sort format like ascending or the descending, but how we can do in a manually, like go to the sort, then ascending and a descending, but you have the same data set again and again, or you want to create a dynamic sorting, so you can use as a visual basics for coding part. Now let's start. Here you can go to the developer tab, as I already told. Go to developer tab, go to the then visual basics, then click on the code of that. So which sheet is open, right click on that, insert in the insert module. Now this page will be open. You can see from the sheet name is, what is my sheet name is sort. Now you can see the sort is where is sort. Yeah, sort is here. Right click on that. If you want to change the name of the sheet, you can click on here and change it to your 18 number in your the properties of your. Right click on that, add a module, insert a module. Now you can see a very short small code is here. For starting our code, sort by date, because I want to sorting for the date wise. Okay, so I gave it name as a sort by date. Now which range, I already told you you can how to use the different types of range. The using a active cell, using the only one cell, or how we can take it from a whole range, from using the range A1 to, because I have A1 to D11 as a range. And after you click a dot, there are different options will come, like a sort, date, font, bold, whatever you want it. There will be the sort key and the range again where you want to sort it. Date column is this one, A2 to A11. So A2 to A11. Order equals to Excel. If I want in ascending, you can write it as ascending. If you want a descending, you can write as a descending. This is a one line of code that end with the subject. Now if I select this data, go to that visual basic editor and perform it. Now you can see within a one click, 1 2 3 4 4 5 5. Now you can see this is in the ascending order. Before, what happens, 1 2 4 4, then 3 was there. So now all data are sorted within a one click. Okay, if you don't want to go in the visual basic, go to the insert. I already told how we can assign the macros to any button. Now go to the button option, draw your button here, and what was my name, filter, oh no, sort by date. Now yes, sort by date. Yeah, here is, you can assign there. Okay, now you can see if I edit something here, I want it as a 4 and will be 3. Okay, so this is not in ascending format. Now you can see 4 3 4 5. Now if I click, you can see it 1 2 3 4 5 in the ascending order. It's already sorted within a one click. Okay, so this is all about how we can sort our data using code.